Okay, so now we are going to see the derivation of moment of inertia of hollow sphere. Okay, so we'll see moment of inertia of a hollow sphere. So for hollow sphere, we can take an element of a ring shape. So we'll go at angle theta and extra angle elemental angle d theta. So that would give an arc r d theta, and we'll circumscribe it around the cylinder, this sphere. So what we'll get? We'll get a ring. Radius of the ring would become this component. So radius of the ring would become r cos theta. So radius of the ring is r cos theta. Shape of the element, obviously ring. So ring can be cut to form a rectangle. So this length would be the circumference 2 pi radius 2 pi r cos theta, and if I talk about the width would be arc length r d theta. So elemental area 2 pi r square cos theta d theta. Now dm, what is dm? Mass per unit length. So dm is what? Mass per unit length. So I will write total mass by total area. So sorry, dm is mass per unit area here. So I will write total mass by total area. So mass per unit area m upon 4 pi r square into the area of the element dA. So from there I will get the dm. Now moment of inertia of the ring is how much? Tell me. Mass into radius square. So mass is dm, radius is small r, so dm r square, integrate both sides to get the complete one. So mass m by 2 cos theta d theta, radius r cos theta whole square. So after putting it, we will get the integration value here. Now let's see the integral part separately. Cos cube theta. So how we are going to integrate this cos cube theta d theta? So we'll assume that sin theta equals to t. So cos theta d theta would become dt. So cos theta d theta is dt. Sin square theta would remain, that is 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta would remain here, that is 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus t square. Now for the sphere, theta would vary from minus pi to minus pi by 2 pi to plus pi by 2. See this? The ring would start from here, so theta would come here, minus pi by 2. Maximum ring would go at the top, so theta is plus pi by 2. So from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, that is a variation of angle. So that we can easily use as a limit. But our integration has been changed in the form of t. So we'll need to find the limits of the t. That would be minus 1 to 1, just putting the value of theta. So after doing this integration, simple integration, we got this value is 4 by 3. So integrate, after putting it back in the equation, we'll get how much? 2 by 3 mr square is the moment of inertia of a hollow sphere, right? For hemisphere, what will change? So if we talk about for the hemisphere, it would change this much. So dm would become mass upon 2 pi r square, because we will take half the area only, and everything would remain same here. Next thing that is going to change for the hemisphere is the limit. So limit would be 0 to pi by 2. So after that again we will get the same value 2 by 3 mr square. Okay.